Joanna, we're gonna post all. And then from A, when you eat A will be fun too. Okay. Now you want to be over here, don't you? She wants to be. Yes.
This is my sister Ashley.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Don.
We're having a great time.
We are here cooking some nice meats, and we are so excited to try all of them.
So yummy.
So thank you guys for having us.
So later on you
Have a great week.
Thank you.
Bye.
Now you operate like an instructor.
Yeah, I make this and then you make to try to be like too long. Folded by a square. Not a square, be like little tiny hand roll. This is what I do. And you can see all the very closely. You don't need to put too much sauce.
It is your legs. You two are awesome. You know what's needed.
Chow mein, greens. What is that one called?
Chow mein.
Chow mein.
Now I need to ask Alex.
Amazing.
This is a bean curd.
Look at this. Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. This will be on my YouTube channel. I'm going to promote this to you guys. You guys will, you know, this is lovely. This is lovely. Don. Yep, welcome.
Thank you, Don.
Yes.
什么是神奇人？
啊，枸杞，对。先帮你放好。